What's up and welcome to Gift from BBA channel. Today's topic we're going to talk about e-com product research. How to sell products online, e-commerce drop shipping, Aliexpress case study. What's drop shipping? If you're new to the sphere of e-commerce selling, you might be a tad unsure of what drop shipping actually is. In short, it's a business model that empowers you to sell online. However, when a customer buys something, your supplier then ships the products directly to the shopper on your behalf. It almost goes without saying that you sell your supplies products at a profit, which obviously is how you'll make more money. Generally, you can market and sell at a $5 item price you've purchased via Aliexpress for as much as $20. That's a massive ROI marketing. It's the potential to make a huge return on your investment that makes drop shipping more appealing than other business models, say affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know, when you sell affiliate products, you earn a commission predetermined by the supplier. However, whereas we've just said, with drop shipping, you have the freedom to price your own products, which provides the opportunity for generating higher profits. Drop shipping is also easier than opening a traditional brick and mortar store. Like the other you see lining the high streets with an in-person shop, the entrepreneur has to come up with winning product ideas, find suppliers or manufacturers, then shell out for products and their shipping. That's not including the hassle and expense of marketing the brand to achieve those all-important sales. Sadly, you could easily waste all this time and money to then realize you've chosen products that don't sell very well, if at all. That's the risk you take with the traditional commerce. Whereas with e-commerce drop shipping model, you don't necessarily have to squander your precious budget on any of the above. Why you should start drop shipping? We've only just scratched the surface on the perks of drop shipping. So before we delve into the nitty-gritty of Aliexpress, we thought it will be useful to hammer home why so many entrepreneurs utilize this business model. Enjoy location freedom. Just like the large majority of other online businesses, you can run your drop shipping venture from virtually anywhere around the world. So, if you're fancy being a digital nomad, drop shipping could be a perfect way for transforming this dream into a reality. There is lots of money to be made. As we've already alluded to, when done well, there is lots of money to be made from drop shipping. Take Tim Cook, for instance. He created a drop shipping store and generated a whopping $6,667 in under 8 weeks. Obviously, not everyone who launches a drop shipping business will have a success story quite as impressive as that, but you get the idea. There's a lot of potential to make serious amount of money. Plus, a massive budget isn't necessary. What's Aliexpress dropshipping? So, what's Aliexpress dropshipping? In short, Aliexpress is a massive online retailer based in China, owned by the Alibaba Group. Launched back in 2010, it comprises thousands of merchants selling products to business owners all over the world. At the time of writing, Aliexpress website is currently available in the following languages: English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Italian, German, Polish, Portuguese, and Russian. With so many languages catered for, you can quickly see why Aliexpress is so popular with the entrepreneurs across the globe. Why dropship using Aliexpress? Yes, there are tons of online retailers you could use to kickstart your dropshipping business, but Aliexpress is the most popular platform. And for good reason, as we've just hinted at. Aliexpress lists hundreds of, if not thousands, of reputable vendors selling products at extremely reasonable prices. Plus, masses of business owners have used Aliexpress for years. Suppliers as well as well versed with the needs of entrepreneurs as such usually try to accommodate your wishes. Best of all, there isn't an upfront charge to sell Aliexpress products, so you have the freedom to test a variety of merchandise without the fear of wasting hard-earned cash. Once you delve further into the practicalities of Aliexpress dropshipping, you'll find plenty of apps that can import product details and image from Aliexpress product listings to your store. It doesn't matter whether dropshipping is a side hustle or your full-time gig. Time is money. So automating the majority of your business with plugins like this is an absolute must, but more on the latter. Hold your horses. They are not the only things entrepreneurs love about Aliexpress. The products are usually excellent qualities. Yes, like most other online retailers, Aliexpress also sell their fair share of dud products. However, the key difference with Aliexpress is how easy they make finding the cream of the crop. Due to the vast quantities of people using their services, their review section is on fire. So, use this to your advantage to increase the likelihood of finding and using a supplier selling high quality products. To do the following: only work alongside suppliers boasting a positive feedback ratings of 95% or higher. For a more accurate feel for how suppliers perform, only use merchants with feedback score of 2000 or more. Look at the written reviews section at the bottom of the product listing. It's essential to take on board what other e-commerce merchants say about suppliers. If you don't run a much higher risk of relying on Aliexpress suppliers who are unreliable, your brand's reputation is only as good as your suppliers. So don't run the risk of doing business with vendors who haven't been tried and tested. As you can see, within minutes, you'll get a feel of which products showcase superior quality. Top tip: on the Aliexpress product listing, click on the feedback tab. This provides a full breakdown of suppliers' feedback score. Handy hack: the feedback score refers to the seller's sales volume, whereas the positive feedback score indicates their feedback rates. And any other, don't just opt for the supplier offering the lowest price. Although it's tempting, remember, if everyone used the cheapest merchandise, albeit inferior quality, the overall standard of Aliexpress products will decline. Instead, we suggest researching and comparing the prices of different suppliers who offer similar products. The several sellers market their goods at roughly the same price point, but one or two merchants offers a significantly lower price. There's a good chance they've compromised on quality, so avoid them like the plague. You don't want a reputation for selling shoddy products. Aliexpress shipping is usually budget friendly, despite the majority of products on Aliexpress coming from all the way from China. You might be surprised to hear that most shipping costs are either free or exceptional cheap. This is a massive perk. Offering customers free shipping often sweetens the deal. and could be that all important incentives that convinces the shopper to complete their purchase will be included in the purchase. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading a video each and every day. Thank you.